Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be giving y'all a click-through tutorial over an app that you can use to create a video presentation for your PBL project. The app is free and all you need is an email and a password to get started. Once you enter those, you'll be taken to this page right here. And from here you want to go to Create. Then you'll be taken to a recommended theme page. And here you'll be able to see some themes that you can choose if you want to go off of these. But if you don't, you can choose the Create from Scratch option. Once again, you'll be shown a selection of themes with recommended colors, fonts, and style combos. I'm going to go with the Fresh Mint. And then you'll get to choose your aspect ratio. You can choose from a square, a landscape, or a vertical. I'm going to go with landscape. And then you have the option to choose photos to go into your presentation. I'm going to choose this picture and this picture. Your video is made up of blocks and each block is a scene, and you have the option to add or delete blocks to help with your presentation. Whatever block that you have in your workspace is the block that you will be working on. Up here at the design, audio, and ratio is where you will be customizing each block. If you go to the design tab, you'll be shown the themes that you were shown in the very beginning of this presentation. And then if you scroll down, you will see how you can customize your font, your titles, your subtitles, and your font size and your text styles even further. If you go to the next tab, the video settings, you'll be given the option to change the background color and accents. And you'll also be given the options to choose between transitions for each block. And the watermark tab is only if you have the updated version. Okay, now if you wanted to add some music to your presentation, you would come up to the audio tab. They have it based off of your top moods or top genres. Let's see what funk has. To hear a song, all you have to do is scroll your mouse over each song title. Okay, and the ratio is just if you want to try a different ratio. You can use the square or the vertical or the landscape that we were just using. Okay, the next part that you need to know is how to change or how to add another block. You just come down here to this plus sign, you click it, and you'll be given the same options that we just went through above with the layouts and the text layouts and media and text layouts. It's just kind of a faster way of doing it for you. Okay, and so that has been my click-through tutorial on how to use the Animoto app to help you with your video presentation for your PBL project.